Hi, Miss Campanelli here. Today we're going to be playing a game called Washing Machine. Just go ahead and follow along. The washing machine has 3 speeds. Speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. The first piece of clothing is a tie. T-shirt. Socks. Pants. Skirt. All right, ready? Let's play. T-shirt. Tie. Speed 3. T-shirt. Tie. Socks. Skirt. Pants. Speed 3. T-shirt. Tie. T-shirt. Tie. Socks. Pants. Speed 2. I hope you enjoyed the game Washing Machine. That's a great game to play during Phys Ed virtual e-learning, also for classroom teachers to use during a brain break. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you use this with your students. Please subscribe to my channel.